You got her nervous? I know, because I call her little mama. Yo, what up, little mama? Yo, what up, little mommy? Yeah. Yeah, she wants it, dude. She wants it, bro. Trust. This is gonna rip. Dude, you clearly don't know my expertise on doghouse megaways, bro. Alright, watch. You ready? Watch this. Okay, exactly what we wanted. Watch this. I think fun happened on No Pixel. I got to see Polly for a little bit. That was exciting. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Oh, fuck yeah, babe. Have you tried Framunda? Are you talking about Framunda cheese? Never had Framunda cheese before. Is it good? Is that good stuff? What's it taste like? What does Framunda cheese taste like? Is it halal?